Hello guys, today I will show you how to get a limited referral using a legal way with one bot. This is our bot for today to get a legal referral. Like you see, this is the homepage of our bot. This is my point. I will show you how to start in the bot. The link will be in description. Like you see, we collect coins. How we collect coins? We collect coins here from guest. You have a guest here. You do from tasks here. You collect coins, daily login. Like you see, you get daily login here. You must daily login to collect coins. This is for the first way. For the second way, there is boost your links. This boost will have many options every hour. You can time to time connect to the bot and see the tasks here in boost. Like shown below, it's just referral from other people. You join simply. If we join like that, we click in star, we return to referral. Many referral here, and we claim our coins simply. This is how it's work. Let's see it over 10. You will get 15 coins in section boost like that, and it will change every time to time. If we click in plus, also we will get boost here. This section of boost is changeable. Time to time you visit the bot and collect coins from new bots and new links. For a guest, you will get daily login and some tasks daily. This is how it's work. You will get a limited referral. Just work simply in this bot. To add your referral link, you click in add referral here. Add referral. You paste the link here like that. You submit. Link successfully added. You will get now a referral from this trusted bot. Also there is other mining that is bots will be in the description. You must see my channel in Telegram. This is how to get free referral and legal one. No payment, just you do some tasks daily and time to time enter to the bot to get free coins simply. Like shown below. I already explained guest and boost. For a boost, it's the most important. It's boost. For guests, you log on daily. For a boost, you do time to time and collect coins. Like you see, it indicate here if you have a bot that have many links here. It indicates that you will have small part of clicks you can use in your bot or other bot, but it's very good to claim your referral. This is how it's work. Like you see, referral link. My referral link, it's up here. If you click in boost, this is my referral link. Like you see, like shown below. The link will be in description. Also there is other mining way will be in description too. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.